Okay, here's a little off-grid refrigeration here. Got no moving parts. It's built out of 2-inch styrofoam glued together, 3/8 plywood glued together. Okay, there's a milk crate in there. I put another milk crate in there, and there's other stuff. There's 2-quart bottle there. Alright, here's how it works. Okay, I got a 3-inch hole going through the wall, and okay. I'm trying to hold the damn light and the camera all in one hand. Okay, this dude here closes it off. Yeah, like that. That way I can cut down the amount of cold air that goes in. And right here, that little speck there. Let me see if I can get this in here. Crap. Yeah, if you can see it there, there's a little speck there on the wall. That's the sensor for my, yeah, there it is. There it is. That's a sensor for an indoor-outdoor thermometer. Of course, this thing's been standing wide open here now. And, let's see, we got, oh, can you read it there? There we go. Can you read that? 38 degrees. Oh, just dropped down to 37 and the lid's been off. See, that's why you have a top loader. Okay, that's it.